Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying account links and where backups live Google Drive on Android, iCloud on iPhone. Once done, open WhatsApp settings Chat's Chat Backup. You need to pause automatic backups first, otherwise they may immediately recreate files. Make sure you note the backup size and date so you know what you're deleting. If you're on Android, also open the Google Drive app to confirm the WhatsApp backup entry exists. Next, you remove the backup from the cloud so WhatsApp can't restore it. On Android, go to Drive. Google.com or Google Drive App Storage Backups, find the WhatsApp entry and choose Delete Backup. On iPhone, open Settings Your Name iCloud Manage Storage, tap WhatsApp Messenger and delete backup. Once removed, force quit WhatsApp and restart your device. Make sure the backup no longer appears in cloud storage so the deletion is final. Finally, clear any local copies so recovery is impossible unless you keep a manual file. On Android, use a file manager to delete WhatsApp/databases MSG store *. Crypt files. On iPhone, local backups aren't user accessible, so rely on iCloud removal. Once done, decide whether to re-enable automatic backups. If you choose to keep them off, verify settings. If something goes wrong, clear app cache, sign out of cloud, or reinstall WhatsApp. That typically forces a fresh sync and removes phantom backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.